Hello, everyone. How is your day going wherever you are in this beautiful world? Today's video is planting these three plants. You can see I've already got them setting in the hole, hose dug, biotone fertilizer spread everywhere. But one is this switchgrass by Proven Winners. It's part of their Prairie Winds series called Cheyenne Sky. And yes, this time I got it right. It is Cheyenne Sky, unlike the Cheyenne Spirit Coneflower that I kept calling Cheyenne Sky. This grass is Cheyenne Sky. You can see putting it here by uh, the butterfly weed that I planted a couple of weeks ago. And so it's Cheyenne Sky. It's got the wispy little flowers on it. I saw a video where it said it gets its name switchgrass because it makes a swishing sound in the wind. Of course, I don't know, maybe you need to put more than one together for that to happen. But anyway, uh, it starts out green, blue-green grass, and then it turns, by early summer, the tips start turning burgundy, and then you got these wispy little, I don't know if you can see them, these wispy little flowers on it. And then these two, Artemisia, 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 Artemisia. These are by Proven Winners. Also, this is called Silver Lining. A little more upright. That I love the foliage and the silver white color and the cuts. It's a little white flower, but I think this is predominantly grown for the foliage. And I think the contrast with the soil and the compost, I think I'm going to love these here. Now, I think these are zone 4 to 9, I think. Yeah, zones 4 to 9, 12 to 16 inches tall. Sounds like it might get 3 foot wide, so I'm probably putting these two close together as I do everything else. Maybe not, but you know, I've got all kinds of stuff in here, so I'll be moving. But that's kind of works. There's a little bit of a method to my madness there that benefits when you start a new bed. You've got plants that you need to move, so you've got some plants you don't have to go buy plants to put in a new bed. You already have some you need to dig up and put in a new bed anyway. So that's part of my method there. Plus, and in the early going, when they're small like this, you kind of got things full. But that's what we're doing today. And the prairie winds, I think that's zone 4 to 9, maybe 3 to 9. Gets about 3 feet tall. That's including the flower heads on them. So it's not a real massive ornamental grass either. So it can be placed at the more front of the borders of the beds. So that's what we're doing today. We're planting these three. I'll get you guys set up and we'll get this started. And we'll start with that Cheyenne Sky back there. We'll get started planting it first. Let's get it out of the bucket. The roots look a little, so we'll do a little work on the roots. Okay. And set it right there. And we're good to go. Make sure it's set up straight. This location is on the south side of the driveway, so this will be getting, all three of these plants love sun, and these will be getting the afternoon sun. So I think they're going to like it here. But if they don't, we can always move them. You know, I'm not afraid to move things, as I've already done. And yes, I occasionally lose a plant when I do that, but for the most part, in my experience, plants are pretty, I've said this before, they're pretty resilient. All right, got that one planted up there. Now let's do one of these. Oh my goodness, now these roots, turn you a little bit here. Hat just blew off. It's kind of breezy today. Hopefully the wind isn't disturbing the audio too much. Let's see what we've got here. Yeah, okay, look at these roots. Woo-wee. Those are root bound. I hope the video is good with the sun shining our way. Set this in here, backfill. Oops, sorry. About knocked you guys over again. I guess I can, I picked up saw a YouTube video. This guy was demonstrating a inexpensive microphone, wireless mic, for doing this. So I was on Amazon, so I went ahead and purchased it. So hopefully the audio is better for you guys today in this video. And I will also now that I have that, and if it works out well in this video, I can start using the taller tripod that I have. Set it back a little bit further and maybe give you guys a better picture of what's going on. Hopefully, you know, I'm learning, I'm growing. That's life, right? You learn, live and learn. All right, there's that one. Now let's put this one in. See if the picture's good there. See how the roots look on this baby. Oh, about as bad, huh? Look at that. Kind of getting root bound. So use the good old hori knife. That's something else I discovered. I've been saying Bora Bora knife on all these videos. It's not a Bora Bora knife, it's a hori knife. H-O-R-I. You know, I'll use the excuse that I'm an old man. Hat's trying, whoop, hat just blew off again. Put it back on. It's kind of breezy today, so hopefully this actually will be a good test for that inexpensive mic that I bought. Eventually get a better one. But right now, if this one works, seemed to work on that video that guy showed, that's what I'll use. All right, let's go ahead, and I've got all this extra soil now that I can go ahead and put in here around this milkweed that I was short a little soil on when I planted it. So got that, and got him watered, or tucked in good. Now, I also was short a little soil on this hot lips here. So we'll get this mounded up a little better. Truly, guys, thanks for watching. I truly appreciate it. And I really hope that I'm giving you something in these videos. Hopefully some entertainment. So I know I don't do a whole lot of educating with stuff. Maybe that's because I don't consider myself a master gardener, and I consider Jeannie and Jerry with gardening at Creekside, gardening with Creekside, yeah, their site, their tube channel, and Epic Kevin, I think his name is Epic Gardener. Aaron and Laura with Garden Answer. Heidi with Garden Crossings. Jim Putnam. There's other people, several other channels out there that I think that's where I use to get all my information. So I consider them to be the master gardeners, and I just learn from them and do. But there you have it. The 3 are in. Give you a look. I really love that bright silver lining. It's called. Kind of bright for the sun's shining right on that one. This one's got my shade block helping out. And then there's the grass. You can see some burgundy tips. Get my shade there again. All right, so another short video has become like a 13-minute video. So thanks for watching, guys. Please hit the subscribe button, the notification bells, if I'm giving you anything that's any kind of value to you at all. I would truly appreciate it. Have a great evening and a better weekend.